Come test drive this 2006 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, and leather upholstery. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.